Gotta get low. So today we're on a mission for some big uns. Big old slab daddy crappie. Looking for some big greasy crappies. I want to take a few home and eat them. So that's what we're doing. Crappie fishing. It's like 40 some degrees out right now. Winter jacket on. Late fall. In the boat. Footballs. Big old slab crappie. .47-degree water temp. She's brisk and not warm, but we're out here. I don't even know why I'm here, but I don't know, something fun to do maybe. Yeah. I don't think you're even ready for what's going on here. Came out here like 5 minutes ago. I cast it out and we got 2 crappies, and this one is a fucking tank. Oh, got one hitting right now. There he is, he's hitting it. And he's got it. Good one. Look at that. Ten-incher. I'm curious what this monster is, because it makes these 10-inch crappies look tiny. I'm guessing this one's 13 maybe, or a foot. Yep, right at a foot. I've been here for 5 minutes, no lie. I didn't even film an intro. I don't even care. I found the fish instantly. And we got another. Oh, I pulled it out of its mouth. Jeez. This one's a little small. Another one buried. Sleeping. Oh, there we go. Bang, bang. This must be a little thing. It's not hitting it very hard. There we go, got him. Just a little guy. Right out of his mouth again. This one's getting hit. This is big. Holy. That's a football. That's another foot long crappie right there. That's nice. That's real nice. I think this might be the best one yet. Unless it's a walleye. Nope, big crappie. Jeez. That one, yeah. Honestly, this guy might be going 13. Hey. No, 11 and a half. Still, he's thick. Thick boy. Look at that mess. Don't get much better than that. We got a wind from the east. Crappies are gonna feast. Just another thing that I think is a bunch of bullshit. You will not catch a fish without any bait though. 99 times out of 100, you know, it's just the way she goes. Another good one. I really don't want to keep 8 million of them. I just want to keep catching them. No way. Got him. Oh. Frisky. Whoops. Yeah, this one's probably like a 8-incher. He can go back to live another day. Silly little guy, didn't even know what hit him. He was just eating and then he was out of the water. Ever since I became a big tiller guy, the quality of fishing has drastically gone uphill. Be a cool person and ditch that steering wheel model. I had to sell my steering wheel boat. I didn't want to get caught driving that thing around. It was pretty lame. Oh, fish. There we go. I got him. Don't worry, guys. Don't you worry. I got him. All is good in the world. One-handed. Feisty. Oh, right in the face. Sunset crappies. Beautiful. Oh. To be honest, I lost track of how many crappies we've gotten so far. But I don't know, just a lot of good quality in here. Nice lake. I'm the only boat out. That's awesome. I got a line twist here. I had a big bite. Ready for this? I don't think you were. There. I got him now. Oh yeah, he's a little on the small side. Yeah, he's a little tight. This is wild. This one's frisky. Just another toad. Not a big one, but she's thick. another dandy. I think I better leave, it's getting dark. Can't even see anything. Well, I hope you liked this one. Thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you guys next video. It's cold. Peace.